Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Canon R9, the latest flagship mirrorless camera from Canon. Today, we'll explore why this camera is making waves in the photography community and how it could be the game changer for photographers and videographers alike. Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the Canon R9, a powerhouse packed with groundbreaking features that promise to redefine your photography experience. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, stick around to find out if this could be your next upgrade. First impressions are everything. Right out of the box, the Canon R9 impresses with its solid build and premium feel. The camera body is made from magnesium alloy, providing durability while keeping the weight manageable. The Canon R9 is designed with the user in mind. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended shoots, while the customizable dials and buttons allow for a highly personalized experience. You'll find that every control is within easy reach, enabling quick adjustments on the fly. Under the hood, the Canon R9 packs a powerful 45-megapixel full-frame sensor paired with Canon's latest Digic X processor. This combination not only delivers stunning image quality, but also supports a blazing fast continuous shooting speed of up to 20 frames per second. And with the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, the R9 offers unparalleled autofocus performance, locking onto subjects with speed and accuracy. In bright daylight conditions, the Canon R9 shines. Its dynamic range is exceptional, capturing the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights with incredible clarity. The colors are vivid, yet true to life, making it perfect for nature and landscape photography. But where the Canon R9 truly stands out is in low-light performance. Thanks to its advanced sensor technology and high ISO capabilities, it handles challenging lighting conditions with ease, producing clean, noise-free images even at higher ISO settings. For videographers, the Canon R9 offers 4K UHD video recording at up to 60 frames per second, along with Canon Log 3 for enhanced dynamic range and post-production flexibility. Whether you're shooting a documentary, a short film, or content for social media, the R9's video features are designed to meet professional standards. One of the standout features of the Canon R9 is its advanced eye and face detection autofocus. Perfect for portrait photography, the R9 can effortlessly track a subject's eyes, ensuring razor-sharp focus every time. This technology works seamlessly even with moving subjects, making it a game changer for dynamic portrait shoots. Connectivity is another area where the Canon R9 excels. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer images to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing. The Canon Camera Connect app also allows for remote shooting, giving you more creative control over your photography. With its robust battery life, the Canon R9 is built to last through extended shoots without needing frequent recharges. It also supports dual card slots, giving you the flexibility to save your work in various formats or to have an automatic backup as you shoot. So, is the Canon R9 worth it? If you're looking for a camera that offers exceptional image quality, robust build, and versatile features, the answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, the R9 is a fantastic addition to any photographer's kit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. And if you're ready to take your photography to the next level, consider giving the Canon R9 a try. See you in the next video.